In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email account on Cloudways hosting. Cloudways is a fantastic platform for managing your cloud hosting environment with ease, and adding an email account is a straightforward task once you know your way around. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to head over to the main Cloudways website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in cloudways.com. This will take you to the homepage where you can access all of Cloudways services. Now that you're on the site, the next step is to log in. Look at the top right hand corner of the homepage and you'll see the login button. Go ahead and click on that and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Enter your email address and password to gain access to your Cloudways account dashboard. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up for one to proceed. But if you're already a Cloudways user, this step should be quick and simple. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the Cloudways dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all aspects of your hosting. From here, you'll have access to various features and settings that Cloudways offers. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if it's new to you. Next, let's navigate to the Cloudways add-ons section. You can find this by looking at the options in the dashboard and you will see an add-ons button. Clicking on it will lead you to the add-ons section, where you can enhance your hosting experience with various additional features. Now, within the add-ons section, you'll want to locate the Rackspace Email option. Rackspace Email is a reliable email hosting service integrated with Cloudways designed to give you professional-grade email services. Click on Rackspace Email to start the process of creating your new email account. At this point, you'll be guided through setting up your email account with Rackspace. Follow the on-screen instructions to fill out the necessary details for your new email account. You might need to specify your domain name and choose the credentials for your email. Be sure to enter all required fields correctly to avoid any issues. Once you've completed these steps, you have successfully created an email account on Cloudways hosting using Rackspace services. Congratulations, you can start using your new email account for professional or personal communication. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide easy to follow and helpful in setting up your email account. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to check Cloudways support resources or reach out to their customer service for additional help. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.